Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to delete all instances of a repeated number in a list in Python. So if we have a list with repeated numbers, such as this one, I will name it in list, and we'll have numbers such as 2, 3, 4, then again 2 and 4, then 1, 8, and 9, and then again repeat 8. Now we just need a list which will have just unique numbers in it. So we are going to get it. I will name it out list, and we are going to loop through each element of the list. Item for item in list, if in list. Here we are going to make use of count function and pass in the item of the list and check if it is only included once in our list, then we are going to add to our new list. So now our out list will contain only the unique elements. So I'm just going to print. This is uppercase L. Now we are going to print our list, and this list should have only the number which are not repeated, such as over here we can check 3, 1, and 9. Let's run our code, and you can see just printed those number which are not repeated in the list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.